Hey, what's up, guys? I just wanted to do a quick video. It's not going to be too long. I just want to make it in depth on how to sign up with warranty companies. Somebody left a comment saying they wanted to know just a little bit more in depth on it. I might have touched on it a little bit in other videos, but pretty much the process I took was to make sure I had everything in order first. So, meaning obviously starting your business, that's one. Making sure you get your insurance. My liability insurance, I have up to $1 million in liability, so you got to make sure you have at least that. Most companies don't accept you if you don't have $1 million or more, you know. And then commercial vehicle insurance. So you need that as well to get with certain companies. Certain companies don't allow you to join up with them if you don't have commercial vehicle insurance. So those are the two things I feel like are the most important things you need. Some of them need you to be EPA certified, which I am. You can, it's easy, just look online, you can get certified EPA. What else? Those are pretty much it. And then you just go on their website and look up how to be a contractor. Simple as that. And then fill out their information. Sometimes you got to print it out, fill it out, then scan it and upload it or email it to a contract manager. Try to, you know, it all depends on which warranty companies that you're looking to sign up with, and you have to look at their criteria. So that's pretty much it. I mean, I don't want to make it harder than what it is, but you just gotta make sure that you have all that before. Now, some warranty companies only need liability. Some don't need your commercial vehicle insurance, but some, like Home Depot and Lowe's, they need those type of, they do background checks as well. And if your background is not right, they're not gonna, send you work pretty much. So that's all I wanted to touch on a little bit, or in depth. That's pretty much sums it up. If you want to get with a warranty company, you just have to have those criteria in order. Initially, when I first started my business, I didn't have commercial insurance. I had regular personal, so I didn't get with the major ones yet. And then I switched it over to commercial. That's when I was able to do so, and it worked out. So you just have to have those things, those prerequisites, you know, so to fit their criteria. It's not really that hard. I don't want people to make it seem like it's the hardest thing to do or to get with, or, you know, it's pretty much, it's pretty simple if you ask me. You just go on their website, look at it. Because when I was working for another company, we weren't doing home warranty companies at all. We were only doing all retail. So Home Depot, Lowe's, around here there's Warrantech, there's ServiceNet, there's Assurant. There's a lot of warranty companies out there that only deal with retail. Assurant now does deal with some home warranty. Assurant, which is Home Depot, they also deal with different ones too. So there's a lot you can look into. Depending on your area too, there's also different ones, because they're not, some of them are not nationwide everywhere. So you want to look where you're at, look at the reviews, how they treat contractors and stuff like that. That's pretty much it. What I wanna, I guess my next video will be, you know, maintenance, talking about some other stuff, but I wanted to make this one real quick so you guys can have just one thing to focus on and not watch a whole video. So be back with the next one. Take care, guys.